Christmas is just around the corner and the festive spirit is beginning to envelop Shillong in its unique charm. From the enchanting melodies of musical Santas gearing up to grace various events to the lively pre-Christmas celebrations unfolding across neighborhoods. Adding to the festive cheer, schools are also getting into the holiday spirit by organizing pre-Christmas events before the academic year draws to a close. One such celebration was held at St. Edmund's School, where the essence of Christmas came alive through heartwarming performances, beautifully decorated venues, and the infectious enthusiasm of students and teachers. The state of Meghalaya has around 4,500